Hello and Namaste everyone. I'm Dr. Reena Jain, naturopathic nutritionist and a cancer specialist. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and effective procedure called an enema. This can help you with digestive health and overall well-being. So let's get started.
Here are the materials you will need for an enema. Enema pot soap, Rexine warm water, body temperature, oil or glycerin. There are several ways to take enema: by lying on your back, by lying on your stomach with legs folded, by lying on your side first. Steam the enema ball with hot water and place it at a height of 2-3 feet above the table. The table should be inclined, with the side towards the pot half a foot higher than the other side. You can do this by placing 2 bricks under the legs of the table. Fill the enema pot with 1.5 liters of lukewarm water at body temperature. Before applying the enema, release a few drops of water from the nozzle to remove any air and ensure a smooth flow. Apply a little oil or glycerin to the nozzle for easy insertion. Have the patient lie down in their preferred position. Insert the nozzle gently and let the water flow slowly into the intestine. The patient should hold the water for 4-5 minutes if it's lukewarm, or 5-10 minutes if it's cold. After the enema, the patient should pass the water naturally without applying pressure. Then clean the area and rest for a few minutes. Enemas can help with many health issues by cleansing the intestines. They can remove constipation, purify the blood, improve digestion, relieve nausea and vomiting during pregnancy, help with conditions like gout, piles, jaundice, and headaches when water enters the large intestine. It cleans out foreign matter and strengthens the intestines. This helps keep diseases away and makes the body feel lighter and healthier. Here are some precautions to keep in mind. Do not give enemas to weak patients with loose motions. Avoid using soap, glycerin, or any other substances in the enema water. Do not take enemas for months or years unless necessary. Excessive cold water enemas are harmful to children. Hot water enemas taken for several days can weaken the intestines. The temperature of the enema water should be equivalent to the patient's body temperature, 99-100 degrees F.
I hope this guide helps you understand how to do this hydrotherapy technique, which has very health benefits. If you have any question, please ask in comments.